All right, our first video is how to create a session in Pro Tools. I'm going to start by going to the File menu and choosing New Session. In this dialog, we're going to choose Create a Blank Session. And then we also get to choose the audio file type. We're going to use WAV. The sample rate for this is going to be 44.1. The bit depth is 16-bit. These are settings that will change depending on the needs of the session that you're working with. If it's for film or if, a music recording project, it might be a different sample rate and bit depth. And you should know that this is really the only time that you can set the session up for those settings, so you have to know ahead of time what you need for the session. For I/O settings, I'm going to use stereo mix, and I want to make sure that the interleaved box is checked. I'll hit OK. Now I'm going to name the session. And choose where we want the session to be located. On this computer, I'm going to put it on my desktop, but you could put the session on a recording drive if you have an external drive that is set up to be a recording drive in your system. Once it's launched, there are basically two windows that you will interact with in Pro Tools. The window that we see here is called the Edit window. You can see the name right here at the top. If I want to switch to the other window, I go to the Window menu and choose Mix. And we see here the Mix window. There's the name right there. I can also switch views by using the keyboard shortcut of Command += or on a PC Control +=. And that's basically how you create a session in Pro Tools.